I'm Stephanie, and this is my family. So I have my youngest, Carson, my oldest, Chase, and then my husband, Drew. So we're here at South by Southwest with ecobee, and we get to stay in this amazing smart home. So come on in. So as we walk you through this amazing house, it is outfitted with not only ecobee products, which is a smart thermostat, but also a brand new product, the Switch Plus. There are also other smart home products all around this house, so we have a lot to show you guys. As we went through our stay at the ecoBeeNB, it was fun to put the house through some of our daily routines and see how it worked. Hey Alexa, play my flash briefing.
Here's your flash briefing. In NPR News.
Live from NPR News in Washington, I'm President Donald
Hey Alexa,
firing of Secretary.
add toothpaste to the shopping list.
I added toothpaste to your shopping list.
Being able to listen to either music, podcast, or your news brief in the morning via a light switch was pretty cool. And adding something to your shopping list while your hands and your mouth are full was even better.
Alexa, make me a cup of coffee.
Okay.
And even making coffee via a voice command, I'm down with that.
I hear the coffee.
After a long day, cooking wasn't an option. Pizza it is. I'm just gonna order pizza. Alexa, open Dominos.
Hi, welcome to Dominos. Would you like to place an order or track an order?
Place an order.
Awesome. Do you want to place your easy order, most recent order, or a new order?
My easy order.
Your easy order has one pizza. Would you like me to place the order?
Yes.
I've placed your easy order. Your day just got cheesier.
And while we wait,
You can ask me-
dance party. Hey Alexa, play my dance playlist in the living room.
Dance it from Spotify playing on Living Room.
Yay! Dance parties are always happening in our house, and having a connected speaker in the living room was perfect for busting our moves. Have a great one. And after all of that dancing, dinner is served. ecobee helps create a seamless living experience inside your home. So are you guys a little warm? Adjust the temperature. Alexa, set the cottage temperature to 68.
The AC is set to 68.
Because now I can go ahead and concentrate on the people and the moments that matter the most. Alexa, turn on Supergirl on Fire TV.
Getting Supergirl from Fire TV.
Whole home voice is the goal for ecobee, and the Switch Plus is bringing that to life. No matter what room you're in, you'll have integrated voice control.
It's bedtime.
It is bedtime. All right, boys, good night. Alexa, turn off the light in the kids' room.
Okay.
The boys had their very own room and couldn't wait to try out the Alexa and Switch Plus for themselves.
Do you want a bedtime story? Yes! Alexa, open the magic door.
Welcome back to the Dark Forest Adventure.
Oh my. Do you feel that cold wind? It sure is getting dark.
Once we were ready for bed, we set the alarm and shut down the house with one easy
Alexa,
command.
Set an alarm for 6 a.m.
Alarm set for 6 a.m. tomorrow.
Alexa, good night.
Okay.
Thanks again to the ecobee team for inviting us to stay at the ecoBeeNB and for sponsoring this video. You not only have 4 new fans, but also 2 boys begging for a smart home next. Links are inside the description to learn more about ecobee, and you can enter to win your own ecoBeeNB home style makeover. See you next time.